Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel, Experience Maths. I have made video relating to rotation, and due to your views and subscribe in previous videos, I am encouraged to make one more video. So now I will teach you rotation about center AB. Rotation of a point about center AB. Rotation of point about center AB. In the previous video, I had taught how to rotate a point about center at origin using coordinates. Here also I will teach you rotation of a point about center AB using coordinates. Okay. So first of all, let us take an object and in one side image. Okay. So before starting, I want you to make sure that you subscribe my video and encourage me to make new videos. So we have object point PXY and a rotation about AB through positive 90 degree. Rotation about center AB through positive 90 degree. Positive 90 degree means rotation about AB through positive 90 degree. Positive means it is anti-clockwise direction. So to write this formula, I have one technique. It is the rotation about center AB, not about the origin. So for this, first of all, we will bring this point XY with reference to the origin. So if you write this X with reference to the origin, then it becomes X minus A and Y minus B. Okay, you have to write X minus A, Y minus B. And next to that, using our previous technique, we have to rotate this through positive 90 degree, that means in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, I have already given the technique to rotate through 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction. So this will shift to the first place and its sign changes, and it simply goes to this place without changing its sign, and then it becomes minus y plus b x minus a, but this is with reference to the origin, so we have to find out its image with reference to this center AB. So we have to translate it using translation vector AB. So it becomes minus y plus b plus a, x minus a plus b. So simply add this a with this first coordinate minus y plus b plus a, and add this b with this second coordinate. Now our formula for rotation about AB through 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction is ready. So our formula for the rotation of the point PXY about center AB through positive 90 degree or positive quarter turn is, it is P dash minus y plus a plus b comma x minus a plus b. This is the formula. Okay, so if we have to remember formula directly, it will be difficult for us, it may be confusing, but using this technique it is quite easy. First of all, we have to subtract this point a, x minus a, y minus b, we have subtracted, and we have rotated this through positive 90 degree about origin plus 90 degree about origin. So this comes to this place and sign changes, minus y plus b, x minus a, and again we translated using translate vector ab, and simply we have added a with this, b with this, and now our formula is ready. Using same technique, we can make formula for the rotation through minus 90 degree clockwise 90 degree. P x y rotation about AB through minus 90 degree. Rotation about AB through negative 90 degree means 90 degree in clockwise direction. Okay, for this also, in the same way, we write x minus a, y minus b, and we rotate in clockwise direction minus x plus a, y minus b, and we simply add this ab in that, then it becomes p dash y minus b plus a minus x plus a plus b. So this is the coordinate of the point pxy when it is rotated about ab through 90 degree in clockwise direction. Next to that, rotation about AB through 180 degree. Okay, for this also we write x minus a, y minus b. From xy we subtract this point AB, and we rotate this through 180 degree minus x plus a minus y plus b, and we simply add AB, a with this first coordinate, b with second coordinate. So minus x plus a comma minus y plus b. In this way, the formula for rotation about AB through 180 degrees ready. That is minus x plus 2a comma minus y plus 2b. Okay, so these are the formula for the rotation of the point about center AB using coordinates with different angles and in different directions. Now here is one example to find the image of the point P72 through positive 90 degree about the point 2, 3. Here our center of rotation AB is 2, 3. So we know for rotation about AB through positive 90 degree, Pxy has image P dash minus y plus a plus b, x minus a plus b. Okay, to write this formula, we can follow the procedure of finding the formula or the technique to remember the formula like before, and you can write this formula. You can use that technique in rough and write this formula. And after writing formula, our point Pxy is 7, 2. In place of x we have 7, in place of y we have 2. So now P7, 2, it is the rotation about AB, center AB is 2, 3, okay, rotation about 2, 3 through positive 9 degree. This P72 is rotated about 0.23 through positive 9 degree, means it is in anti-clockwise direction, and our formula is minus y plus a plus b. So minus y means this is minus 2 plus a value is 2 here, plus b is 3, and next to that x value is 7 minus a is 2 plus b value is 3. So this equals to p dash minus 2 plus 2 can be cancelled. 3, 8. This is the required image of hence P dash 3, 8 is the required image of the point P72. Okay, so this P dash 3, 8 is the required image of the point P72 under the given transformation.